There are over 60,000 refugees living in tents in the Arsal Camps of Lebanon. You can see their living conditions are very bad. One thing is for sure, you will not see us losing hope. My friends at Amal Charity have been at these camps, meeting with these families and working hard to improve their conditions this winter. If there's any amount you can spare, I assure you it will go a long way for these families. So pray for their patience, strength, and perseverance, and may Allah grant you the same in your times of need.